this is one of several pieces of pipe that we have in our yard that we store in the case of emergencies. And thankfully we're able to release 2 of these pipe sticks to the City of Calgary, who need it more than we do. Well, it's important understanding the pressures that the City of Calgary are under. Water supply to a city is a fundamental to the economy of a city.
A special thank you to the classy folks at the San Diego County Water Authority for putting those 2 lengths of pipe on a truck yesterday. Those last pipes could be here sooner than expected, meaning that the concurrent work on all 5 hotspots is well underway.